We're scientists at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and our Science in Short explains how we made 3D printed sand super strong. 3D printing works by building objects layer by layer. Our printer spreads a thin layer of sand and then deposits a layer of glue on top, then more sand and more glue. On a microscopic scale, it looks like a bunch of playpen balls hitting a bunch of rocks.
We develop a polymer, or glue, to bind and strengthen sand. Polymers are chain-like molecules. The challenge is to find the right one for your material. Our polymer made 3D printed sand stronger than concrete.
So what's so cool about 3D printed sand? Industry uses 3D printed sand parts to make molds for manufacturing. And maybe one day this technology could be used to make housing on Mars or even on the moon. So what could you build with super strong sand?